So here we have a question, find the value of sine 18 degree. So in order to solve it, we will let it angle 18 degree is equal to theta. Let 18 degree is equal to theta. And now in order to solve it further and make it easier, we are supposed to multiply something kind of term both side, that will make it much easier. And I think it is supposed to be 5. Okay, as we multiply 5 to this side, it will become 90. Okay, so we will multiply 5 to both of this side, and this will become 18 degree into 5 and theta into 5. This will become 90 degree and this will become 5 theta. Now we can also write 5 theta as 2 theta plus 3 theta. Okay, and this left hand side was 90 degree. Now we will bring this 3 theta on the left hand side, and it will become minus 3 theta, and this side will remain 2 theta. Now we will multiply sine both side, then we will get this side, we will get sine 90 degree minus 3 theta, and on other side we will get sine 2 theta, and as we know that the formula sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Okay, since sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, hence ये इसको हम ऐसे we can write it also as 2 sin theta cos theta, and this side by the formula, as we know that since sin 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta, hence this side will become cos 3 theta. Okay, now as we know by the formula, cos 3x is equal to cos 3x is equal to 4 sin cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is our formula. Cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So according to this formula, we can expand it according to this, and it will become 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, and on the right hand side it was 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, now we will bring this term on the left hand side, then it will become 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, and this cell, as here is nothing left, so it will become 0. Now we will take cos theta as common. Okay, we can take cos theta as common, and this will become then 4 cos q theta, 4 cos square theta, it will become after taking common, and it will become 3 minus 2 sin theta is equal to 0. And now we will bring this cos theta on the other side. Okay, then it will become 0. Then we will have left 4 cos square theta minus 3 minus 2 sine theta is equal to 0. Now here we have sine theta and here we have cos square theta, so both are of different character, and in order to make it same and solve it further, we will have to make it same. Okay, either we have to make it sin theta, or either we have to make this sin theta into cos theta. But as here we have cos square theta, it is easier to make it sin square theta by the formula 1 minus sin square theta. So we will make this cos square theta into sin square theta by the formula that is we have 1 minus sin square theta minus 3 minus 2 sin theta is equal to 0. Now after expanding it, we will get 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3 minus 2 sin theta is equal to 0. Now we are supposed to find the value of sine 18 degree. Okay, so we are supposed to we were asking to, we have been asked to find the value of sine 18 degree. Okay, and we have let theta is equal to 18 degree, means we have to find the value of sine theta. Okay. Now we will solve it further, and then we will get here it is minus 4 sin square theta minus 4 sin square theta, and after solving this 4 and minus 3, we will get minus 1, and it will become minus 2 sin theta is equal to 0. Now as we can see it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So we are supposed to arrange it in such a way, in this way, and we will get and also then we will get sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus 1. Here we have made a mistake. After solving this 4 minus 3, we will get plus 1. Okay, now after taking minus common, we will get here minus 1 is equal to 0. Now after applying this formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, by Sridharacharya formula, we will get sin theta is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 16 upon 8. Solving to further, we will get minus 1 plus minus root 5 upon 4. Okay, now we will solve this minus 1 plus minus root 5 upon 5, and here we will get sin theta's value 1 minus 1 plus root 5 upon 4, or minus 1 minus root 5 upon 4. But if we solve this term, we will get positive answer, but if we solve this term, we will get negative answer. But as we know that we had sin theta's value 18 degree more than 0. Okay, so this is not supposed to be answer. Okay, we are not supposed to get answer negative, as we had the sin 18 degree is equal to more than 0. So if we solve this, we will get answer more than 0. Okay, So this is supposed to be answer, and we can write also it as sin theta is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 4, and this is our right answer.